Hello techies, this is lab 10.2.9 and we are going to be replacing a toner. So a user reports that their printer is no longer printing yellow. You determine the yellow toner cartridge must be replaced. You will need to replace the existing yellow toner cartridge with a new one. Alright, so that is what we need to do. So let's start off with step 1. We're going to open the front cover and then open this and pull it out according to the instruction on the left pin. Then pull out the yellow cartridge and set it aside somewhere here. Then the next step, okay, so we have to follow all of the guide accordingly. So let's go over here and then take the new yellow toner cartridge. Okay, so these are the instructions given. So click continue because we understand the instruction, and we remove the cartridge. We'll shake it according to the instruction, and after which we're going to move this cartridge inside the slot for the yellow cartridge. Go ahead and close and cover the front cover. And it's saying ready to print. So all tasks is completed. Go ahead and answer any question that follows. So to avoid the toner cartridge so they can be removed, what step do you take after you open the front cabinet? So that will mean to grabs the blue handle. Then when handling the new toner cartridge, why must you make sure not to touch the oil or debris? When integrating the toner in the cartridge, what motion should you use? Hold the cartridge horizontally, tip and back and forth. And once the toner cartridge is replaced and the cabinet, alright, so that is correct answer. All of our answers are correct, and that is it for this lab. If you find this video helpful, remember like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.